Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Univen is probably one of the most versatile and reliable choices available on the market today, offering a unique blend of innovative features and user-friendly design that caters to a wide range of needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this product aims to simplify your tasks and elevate your experience with its cutting-edge technology and robust construction, making it a standout option for anyone seeking quality and performance. Number 5. Univen Knob Top and Washer for Farberware Yosemite Percolators. This replacement knob top and washer ring is designed specifically for your Farberware Yosemite stovetop percolator. Ensure a perfect fit for optimal performance. Please note, this part is not universal. It is exclusively designed to fit Yosemite stovetop percolators with a 0.86-inch, 22mm, hole in the lid. Enjoy compatibility with both the 8-cup and 12-cup Farberware stovetop percolator models. It's the ideal solution for keeping your percolator in working order. This part is confirmed to fit Farberware stovetop percolator model numbers 50124 and 47053. Verify your model number for a guaranteed match. The knob measures 1.5 inches, 38mm, tall with a shaft diameter of 0.85 inches, 21.5mm. These precise dimensions ensure a secure and proper installation. This replacement is not suitable for electric percolators. Additionally, it does not fit percolators manufactured before 1997. Please check your appliance type and manufacturing date. What we like. This knob top and washer ring is designed specifically for Farberware Yosemite percolators. If you have a Yosemite model and need a replacement part, this is the perfect fit. It ensures your percolator functions correctly for that authentic stovetop coffee experience. What people say. The knob fits perfectly, but I have to use the original ring. The one that came with this one sits up too high. Absolutely a perfect fit, big improvement over the old cloudy original, great to not having to buy a new complete coffee pot. I've used this several times now, and it has not leaked, melted, or had any other problems with it so far. It works for the 8-cup size coffee pots, just so you know. Number 4. Univen Attachment Knob Thumb Screw for KitchenAid Mixers. Tired of loose attachments? This thumb screw is designed to securely hold all your mixer's accessories in place. Ensure a stable and efficient baking experience every time. This is a high-quality replacement part, manufactured by Univen. It's designed to perfectly fit your KitchenAid stand mixer, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. No need to worry about specific part numbers. This knob replaces several common KitchenAid part numbers, making it a versatile solution for your needs. Installation is a breeze with this thumb screw. Simply use your hand to tighten it onto your mixer's attachment hub. No tools are required for a secure fit. Crafted for durability, this thumb screw is built to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your attachments are held firmly, allowing you to focus on your culinary creations. Featuring a standard 1/4 to 20 thread size, it ensures a precise and secure connection. This common thread size guarantees it will work seamlessly with your mixer. What we like. This thumb screw is essential for securing attachments to your KitchenAid stand mixer. If your original screw is lost or damaged, this quality replacement will get your mixer back to full functionality. It's a simple yet crucial part for any baker. What people say. The Univen comes with a powerful 1500W motor, ensuring efficient performance for various tasks. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store. The product features a durable stainless steel construction, promising longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Number 3. Univen Stainless Steel Baking Tray Pan for Cuisinart Airfryer Oven. Introducing the Univen Stainless Steel Baking Tray, designed to elevate your cooking experience. It's the perfect upgrade for your Cuisinart Airfryer oven. This tray is specifically compatible with Cuisinart Airfryer models TOA 60, TOA 65, and TOA 70. Enjoy a seamless fit and optimal performance. Crafted from polished 304 stainless steel, this baking tray is built to last. It offers excellent durability and a premium finish. Experience worry-free cooking with its corrosion-resistant properties. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. This is a quality part by Univen, ensuring reliability and satisfaction. Upgrade your kitchen with this essential accessory. What we like. Upgrade your Cuisinart Airfryer oven with this durable stainless steel baking tray. If you're looking for a more robust and easy-to-clean alternative to your original tray, this is it. Its corrosion-resistant properties and dishwasher-safe design make cooking and cleanup a breeze. What people say. It is durable and relatively thick, fits just right, and cleans up easily in the dishwasher. I believe it is good quality stainless steel because I have not noticed any rust. This is great. It's stainless steel with no coating, no worries about chemicals later discovered to cause some horrible disease, no worries about using only certain utensils, no worries about putting it in the dishwasher, no worries about having to replace it in 3 years when coating starts flaking off. It's a decent thickness, lightweight but sturdy. Great quality, food doesn't stain on and it washes great in the dishwasher. Number 2. Univen Espresso Filter and Gasket Seals for Bialetti 6-Cup. Ensure a perfect brew with our replacement filter and gasket set. Designed specifically for your Bialetti 6-Cup Mocha Express or Mocha Timer. These parts are also compatible with the Bialetti 6-Cup Dama and Brake models. Get the right fit for your specific machine. The filter plate measures 2.5 inches, 64 millimeters, in diameter. The gaskets have an inner diameter of 2.16 inches, 55 millimeters, and an outer diameter of 2.83 inches, 72 millimeters. Crafted from non-toxic, food-safe EPDM rubber made in the USA. Enjoy peace of mind with every cup. This set includes 1 coffee espresso filter plate and 3 gasket seals. Everything you need to restore your espresso maker. Please note, this is not a universal part. Refer to the provided measurements to ensure compatibility with your Bialetti. What we like. Brew perfect espresso with this filter and gasket set for your 6-cup Bialetti maker. If you enjoy making mocha pot coffee and need to replace worn-out parts, this set is ideal. The non-toxic gaskets ensure safe and flavorful brews every time. What people say. This Univen filter and gasket set fit perfectly. The quality is great, and it works just like the original part. This gasket set fits my Gemelli mocha pot exactly, forms a good seal, and does not leak. The material appears to be a long-lasting rubber. It fits perfectly my Bialetti 6-Cup Espresso. Works as new. Number 1. Univen 2.25 Espresso Filter and Gasket Seals for Bialetti 3-Cup. Ensure a perfect seal for your Bialetti 3-Cup Espresso maker. This set is specifically designed for compatible models, providing a snug and secure fit. This package includes 1 coffee espresso filter plate and 3 gasket seals. They are crafted for durability and optimal performance in your brewing process. These parts are compatible with several 3-cup Bialetti models, including Mocha Express, Mocha Timer, and Mocha Melody Sport. Please verify your model for compatibility. The filter plate measures 2.25 inches, 57 millimeters, in diameter. The gaskets have an inside diameter of 2 inches, 51 millimeters, and an outside diameter of 2.59 inches, 66 millimeters. Our gaskets are made in the USA from non-toxic, food-safe EPDM rubber. Enjoy peace of mind with materials designed for your health and safety. Please note that this is not a universal part. Carefully check the provided measurements of the filter and gaskets to ensure they match your existing components. What we like. This filter and gasket set is tailored for your 3-cup Bialetti espresso maker. If you're a fan of smaller batch mocha pot coffee and need reliable replacement parts, consider this option. The food-safe EPDM rubber gaskets guarantee a secure seal for optimal brewing. What people say. Fits well and replaces the gasket we burned by mistake. The quality of the coffee flavor was very good. I have been using this method all my life. Works well and fits like a glove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.